Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept n integers as the input, and the program should print the integers having the unit digit of the last integer as their unit digit in reverse order. So first we are going to accept the n integers and print the integers having the unit digit of last integer as their unit digit in reverse order. So now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case we have 5 integers. So here the unit digit of the last integer is 8. So from reverse we are going to check for the same unit digit. So first we have 48 and then we have 6608 having the unit digit as 8, and then we have 108. So now this will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. So in this test case we have 4 integers and the unit digit of the last integer is 0, and there are no other integers having the unit digit as 0, so just 50 will be our output. So get clarifications for any program and clear your program errors effortlessly by using our Instagram page. Programming made simple here. We have mentioned our Insta ID in this video description. Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the number of integers n, and then we'll get the integers as array list. So now after getting the integers, we'll iterate over, that is for num in array -1, that is iterating from reverse. If the num mod 10 is equal to the array of -1 mod 10, that is the current integer unit digit is equal to the last integer unit digit means, then we are going to print the array of the num and use end argument. So now let us execute our program. We'll pass our first test case. So yes, we have got the correct output, that is the integers with the unit digit as 8. Now we'll pass our second test case. So here also we have got the correct output. Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.